Good morning, Vlogmas Day 18. Okay, we're having a lovely lazy Sunday. I'm so pleased that Bea's in the mood for this because, yeah, it's taken it out of us. I don't drink. I found out I was allergic to alcohol when I was like a teenager, the wrong way. But I get like a sympathy hangover or something, and then Stephen doesn't get a hangover, so I obviously get his or something, and I just feel rotten. So the thought that we're just gonna stay in bed and watch Arthur Christmas and have cups of tea, and I'm just making some toast, oh, it's just heaven. So I'm very pleased about that. But yeah, we've got another busy day today. So after we've watched Arthur Christmas, we're going to meet our friends in about 2.5 hours. So yeah, and then lots of fun frivolities all day. So I will take you with me, of course, and I hope you have a lovely day with us. See you in a bit.
There's so many good ones.
This is for me. Look, that's the first letter of my name.
That's your whole name.
Yeah, it is, darling. It says B.
But, and then E, and then A. And that says
B.
And do you know what they've put as your surname? Yeah. They've put Young, because that's Mummy's second name. But yeah, that's a prince. That's, well, I assume that's a present.
Yeah,
it
is. It is. But you can open it now.
Oh, do you want to come up and open it?
Yeah, I don't.
Dad, can you help me?
Of course I can, my darling.
This
Do you want to
is
turn
very,
around? Can you turn
very
around so Mummy can
kind
see you open
gift,
it?
you see.
it Christmas?
Well, it's
Well, it's
something
an
that
early Christmas
it's an
gift.
early Christmas gift, yeah.
Right, so you got some tape here. So Daddy helps you with the tape.
From a lovely sewing friend of mine who wanted to send you something special that I can make you with. Make you with?
Make with you.
That I can make with you.
It's been a late night.
The sentences don't come easy.
Would it be?
I don't know. What do you think?
I think it will be a picture.
Oh.
Oh, a puzzle.
Oh.
It might be something that Mummy can make with you. Here we go. Right, do you want to put your finger and we can pull it together? You ready? There we go. And should we do that again? That's it. There we go. Right, it's over to you now. I think you could. I think you can open that. No, it's here. Look. What's in there? Wow, is it from the stretchy seamstress?
The specky seamstress.
No. Oh, the specky. Sorry, I misread that. The specky seamstress. Look what she sent you.
Oh.
So, Mummy, can you explain what these are for?
So these are bias binding, which you put on garments or toys. You put on the edge of fabric to make a really beautiful trim at the edge of your fabric.
So, for example, B, if Mummy made you a top like these pajamas, you could have rainbows going round your wrist. And you can say to Mummy, I'd like to use the rainbows on these sleeves or round the bottom. Do you see on the bottom of your clothes where it goes round the rim?
Yeah.
You could put it there, or you could have buttons on it. Maybe we could have buttons going down the zips or whatever, I don't know.
Oh, that is
But would that be
so
nice?
lovely.
Which ones do you like? Do you like the rainbows or the buttons? Or do you like both? The rainbows are really cool. Oh, you like all three?
Oh, yeah.
Because this was sent to you by the specky seamstress.
She's called Laura.
Do you want to say thank you very much, Laura?
Thank you very much, Laura.
Oh, thank you, Laura. That is so kind of you. We're going to absolutely
we
love
do
using
so?
them. Yeah.
Would you want to go and have a look with Mummy, and you can have a look at what things you might do with it?
Yeah.
I know, I can. Then we can play hospital and I can wrap those around my toys.
Why not, Dave?
Rainbow
Let's go
bandages.
see. Here are our friends. This is Paul, Zoe, we all know B, and Jess. And we're at the beautiful Freemasons Arms, which is gorgeous. We got the booth. We got the booth. stay put, and B is painting Paul, so she keeps saying stay put still.
So you remember inside voice mode, are we?
Stay put, please.
It does look like it, B. It's a very good picture.
You've definitely caught the mantis shrimp aspect of his personality.
All of us, do we look like fish? Oh, here is
B's just putting stickers on all of us, so we've all got plasters on our noses. Paul's about to get his.
walk round.
Oh, thank you very much.
Very good.
Yeah, very cool.
You know when you have lovely friends when they make you mince pies and blue cheese.
Okay, what colour?
If in doubt, Christmas house! Yay for Christmas house!
Christmas house.
I'm gonna pull up here then, Daddles.
Just getting as close as possible.
Yeah. So there were.
Okay to go to Christmas house?
So you may have noticed the weather has changed somewhat. We have very heavy rain, and we are meant to be at a light show at Kenwood House at the moment. But we got there to 3 fire engines and a massive queue because the whole thing's been paused because of there's a fire. So luckily, although Bea was very upset about it, she reminded us that we could just go to Christmas House. Yay!
So the green one, that's Yoda. And the big one, is he from Paw Patrol or is he a husky? I think he's a Christmas husky.
Yeah, Christmas Husky.
And then the black one, that's Darth Vader. Who else? Anyone else you want to know?
Very Christmassy Darth Vader, isn't
And what
he?
does that say? What does that say along there? That's right, it says ho ho ho. Can you see an owl on the roof?
I want to
Okay, it's too cold. I'm going to have to stop filming. Cold and wet.
I want
But thank you, Christmas House, for saving us again. You enjoying your hot chocolates, guys?
Cheers, B.
Whilst watching the hot chocolates on Polar Express and avoiding the mess. Hey guys, so that didn't quite go according to plan. Yeah, we've had tickets for the light show at Kenwood House, which we went to last year. And last year it had loads of power cuts, but it was wonderful and beautiful, but it did have loads of power cuts. We were like, do we really try it again this year? But everyone said, there were no power cuts the night we went. It was all fine. It was all lovely. So we rock up with our friends. It's pouring with rain, so we were a bit like, oh no, why tonight? It's been such nice weather up till now. And there were 3 fire engines blaring away. I get really bad vertigo from flashing lights on my... Yeah, sorry. So yeah, I have vertigo that's set off by flashing lights. So I was straight away struggling anyway, which is kind of hilarious that I was at a light show with struggling because of the flashing lights because of the fire engines. So that's a bit silly in itself. But anyway, I was like really struggling, so I couldn't look at them. And so then we get into the queue. I run past the fire engines, get into the queue in the pouring rain. Bee's already losing it. She's not happy. We had to wake her up because she fell asleep in the car. And they were like, actually, we've paused the entrance because there is actually a fire. So they basically said to us that you can transfer it for another night. And we were like, yeah, let's definitely do that. So Of course, then B was incredibly upset that we were leaving, so Christmas House, as you just saw, saved the day massively, because she said, why don't we go to Christmas House? So that was like, yes, the best idea ever. Actually, I did have the idea first, but Stephen stopped me and said, where could we go and see other lights? And B said Christmas House. So well done, Stephen. That one worked very well, because if you know toddlers, the ideas have to come from them. Anyway, so yes, then we went there, and now I've just served them hot chocolates while they're watching Polar Express, and I'm actually in a bit of a tidying mood, which is a rare thing. So I'm going to sort out the kitchen and the bedroom, and lounge can happen tomorrow. Tomorrow we have no plans, so we're tidying and finishing off the decorations and everything. Maybe making some Christmas cards, wrapping some presents. We're going to do that sort of thing. Oh, I do want to bake gingerbread. Okay, maybe that as well. But tomorrow, no plans, so that's good. But I'm just going to do a bit of tidying up while I'm in the mood. And yeah, I will see you in a bit. Bee's done her own Polar Express. So this is her trains. Oh, Bee, they're so gorgeous. Oh, I love them. You cutie pie.
This is the engine.
Oh, that's the engine and that's the train. That's very clever.
No.
Huh?
This is the train.
Yeah.
This is the driving room.
The driving room. Right, I better go. Our pasta will be ready. Okay, B, it's Advent time.
Would you like to see what day number it is? No. Do you think we
Oh.
can find it?
Yeah, do you know what day it is?
Yes.
What day is it? I think you might be
Yeah,
right.
I think you're right.
It's the 18th. And then I come and look, I'll read the clue.
I don't look.
I know, yeah, it doesn't look like you're looking anywhere.
I guess with a smile.
That's a nice smile.
You are such a funny duck.
Oh. Come on then.
Come on, let's read the
Otherwise I'm
clue.
never going to read this clue.
Yeah.
Thank you. Would you like to sit here and I'll read it for you? You going to come and sit with Dad? You going to come and sit with Daddy? You got a bit of a snuffle, haven't you, darling? Okay, 18th of December. Oh, this knows all about you. Listen, you've had your hot chocolate. Have you had your hot chocolate? And pasta pesto for tea. Have you had pasta pesto for tea? So now's time for Advent. What will it be? I'll give you a clue, so just listen to me. I can hear the sound of quacking coming from the Christmas tree.
Hey. What's Christmas tree?
Oh.
Do you want to check then?
I checked.
Okay.
Now, let's check another one.
What's that, B? Ooh. Who's in
Do you want me to open it from the
there?
bottom for you? To get her out?
Is it double ducks?
Double ducks!
Double ducks, B?
Is that mummy duck and baby duck?
Oh. Let's have a look, gorgeous.
What are their names?
You can call them whatever you like, my love.
That's a good name.
Oh, okay. Well, Mummy Duck and Baby Duck. Come on, let's take them into the bedroom. We can name them. Hi, everyone. Okay, so Stephen's just reading to B. So, time for my advent calendar. I remember the date. It's the 18th. Okay. 18th. It's one of the big ones. Oh. Ooh. Okay, every time. Oh, it's a double whammy, this one. So, sewing wise, I'm going to have to look it up again, but I'm assuming this is a point turner. Oh, there's a bit of fun glue on it. I love peeling this stuff off. Does anyone else have a real fascination with peeling that off? Oh, I like it. But yeah, I'm assuming that's a point turner. Answers on a postcard, please. Is it a point turner? It's cool either way. I really like it. I like its colour. And then some sunflower seeds. So that's lovely. What a nice thing to put in an advent calendar. It kind of suddenly makes me be like, oh yeah, summer's going to be soon. So that's really nice. That's really lovely. All right, well, that was a very wonderful day. I absolutely adored spending the day with our friends, and they're so lovely. And Bea and Zoe are just such a cute little pair together. Even when they don't want to play together, which, you know, happens a lot with toddlers, they're still just really kind of, they're just a lovely pair. Yeah, although things didn't quite go to plan, we still had such a wonderful day with them. And then actually this evening was great, just kind of snuggled up watching a Christmas movie. I got a bit of tidying done. It was all lovely stuff. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did, and I will see you tomorrow. Lots of love. Bye.